Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. Today we discuss the topic mass and time in 6th standard science. When we go to supermarket, we always buy things using standard values like milligram, gram, kilogram, liter, milliliter, etc. So, measurement is the important part of our daily life. For example, your father gives you a bag and asks you to get potatoes. How will you ask the shopkeeper? You ask like this: half kg or 1 kg of potatoes. I think you know what topic we are discussed now. Yes, we are now discussed about mass and time. What is mass? Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. And mass of an object is different on the particles present in it. Next, weight. Weight is the gravitational force experienced by the mass. For example, hold a sheet of paper in one hand and book in another hand. Which hand feels the heaviness? The book in the hand feels heavy because mass of the book is more than that of paper. So, our hand has to give more force to hold a book than a paper. The weight is directly proportional to the mass on Earth's surface, but on Moon, gravitational force is lesser than Earth. So, the weight will reduce, but the mass will remain same. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, and it is represented by the letter kg. Now, what is your mass? If you measure in grams, that would be a larger number. So it is expressed in kilogram because the bigger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. For example, 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram, 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. Then how do we measure? We have various instruments to measure mass like beam balance, digital balance, etc. First, beam balance. A beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of known mass. In ancient time, people used this type of balance to measure. Next, electronic balance. An electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurements of weight. It is commonly used in laboratories for weighing chemicals, and it also be used to weigh food, other grocery items as well as jewelry. Next, time. The measured or measurable period during which an action, process or conditions exist. For example, day changes into night and night into day. Seasons also change. We know time passes. How do we measure the passage of time? In these cases, we use clocks to measure time. In earlier days, people used sand clock and sundial to measuring the passage of time. In sundial, the shadow of stick is used to estimate time. Dear students, In this session, we discussed about mass and time. I hope you understood this topic. We will meet again with another topic in next session. Thank you.